Tandy Sensation. Sensation is not just another PC. It's your desktop companion, always ready to ease your workload, keep you informed, and provide the excitement of first-rate entertainment. Sensation is your entry into an interactive environment designed to make the entire family feel right at home in a world filled with fantastic possibilities.
Once you've seen it in 16 million colors, heard it in true digital stereo sound, anything else is just a computer.
At Radio Shack, we're gearing up for a sensational Christmas, and the pun is intentional. Tandy's new Sensation is such a revolutionary machine that we broke the tradition of numbering our models to give it a unique product name instead of just a model number. We even made the exclamation mark part of the name. And in the next 20 minutes, Mike Dryden and I are going to do our best to show you why. We're going to take a fast tour of some of Sensation's high-appeal features, give you an idea of how to demonstrate them to your customers, and give you an overview of these features that make Sensation such a true advance in information technology.
To help you along the way, we've sent out a training guide to accompany this presentation. While it isn't mandatory, if you have it handy, get ready to follow along in the guide as we step through the demos. Make any notes that give you ideas on how to use these demos in your own presentations. Now let's start by letting the star of the show, Sensation, tell you a little about itself.
Tandy's new Sensation is leading the way in personal computing for the 1990s. Sensation is a 486 SX MPC, running at a fast 25 megahertz. On board are 4 megabytes of memory, expandable to 32 megabytes. And there are 3 drives, a 3.5-inch, 1.44 megabyte floppy, a 107 megabyte smart drive hard disk, and a CD-ROM with an average access time of 375 milliseconds. All graphics are Super VGA, with the Windows Accelerator increasing speed by 70%. But the heart of Sensation's phenomenal display is Tandy's exclusive multimedia palette chip, capable of displaying pictures in 16 million colors. On a par with the graphics, Sensation supports true digital stereo sound with an onboard 12-bit analog to digital, digital to analog converter, and FM synthesizer, a MIDI port, and stereo line-out jack. Sensation will even play your favorite audio CD for you while you work. To communicate with the rest of the world, Sensation comes with a 2400 BPS modem, able to handle both voice and pulse signals, and a 4800 baud fax transmission device. And although it comes filled with advanced hardware, Sensation has 3 16-bit industry standard expansion slots ready for future add-ons. Sensation begins where ordinary PCs stop.
In September of 1991, Tandy fired the opening shot in the multimedia computer revolution, a revolution filled with sights and sounds presented in ways impossible under older technology. Sensation is the latest addition in Tandy's arsenal in today's computer wars. But what's inside isn't going to sell Sensation. You are. You've had MPC units available since September of '91, and we've been surveying our customers to find out why they purchased an MPC. The most common answer was because it represented the latest technology. For 70 years, Radio Shack has been America's #1 technology store, and our customers like new ideas and new gadgets. And Sensation is certain to show them many new capabilities they'll want if you demonstrate Sensation to your repeat Radio Shack customers. Your existing customer base represents your best prospect list for Sensation. Whether you're talking to a customer who's owned a computer before or a bare beginner who wants a simple-to-operate home or office system, Sensation represents outstanding value.
Now, as Mike pointed out, it's not just what's inside Sensation that makes it special. It's what Sensation does, both with the incredible MPC software available on the market today and with the standard software included with every Sensation. You're going to see a lot of familiar items on Sensation, like Microsoft Windows and Works for Windows. These popular programs have been shipping with our top-of-the-line computers and are preloaded on Sensation's 107 megabyte hard drive, along with America Online, Prodigy, Sierra Online. But that's just the beginning.
Your customer gets control of their finances from the first day they own Sensation, with a variety of financial aids right on board, including Microsoft's Money program for controlling your budget, tracking your investments, keeping up with your bank accounts, and filing your loan and tax records. It comes already installed. But the true power of the MPC comes through with Tandy's exclusive WinMate software that makes Windows even easier. WinMate divides the different functions into 8 major areas. But hold on. Here's Sensation's demo to tell you about WinMate.
Sensation comes with WinMate software, designed to make powerful Microsoft Windows easier for the whole family to use. When Sensation powers up, WinMate's category menu appears on screen, allowing you to select between 8 function categories, each loaded with applications. In the Know contains a reference library, while In Play offers entertainment, much of it with educational value for children. In the Bank provides powerful software for managing finances, including the very popular Money. In Control offers home management help, even in the kitchen with the Betty Crocker microwave cookbook. And In Charge assists in the area of personal management. In Touch contains state-of-the-art communication software, as well as online information services. In Print allows you to create visually exciting banners, cards, signs, notices, and name tags. And Inside provides access to all standard Windows tools. WinMate comes exclusively with Sensation and guarantees success.
But Sensation and multimedia are more than just new ways to organize the same type of information we've come to expect from computers. Sensation ushers in a whole new era of content-based computing. Now this is a computer CD. It can hold more than 600 megabytes of programs or program information. And Sensation comes with 4 of these CDs. They hold a wealth of information and entertainment programs for the entire family, including the outstanding Microsoft Bookshelf series.
Need concise information about an event in history, a scientific concept, or just want to know how something works? Have a question about spelling or pronunciation? By combining sight and sound, Sensation brings you 7 of the most popular reference books in multimedia format by Microsoft. This CD-ROM reference library includes the World Almanac and Book of Facts 1992, the concise Columbia Dictionary of Quotations, Roget's 2 Electronic Thesaurus, Bartlett's Familiar Quotations, concise Columbia Encyclopedia, the American Heritage Dictionary, and Hammond Atlas. A picture can be worth 1,000 words, and Sensation's reference library contains over 1,000 images and maps, with more than 20 animations to aid understanding.
And so, my fellow
It also
Americans,
contains 65,000 spoken pronunciations, and you can even hear excerpts from famous speeches and national anthems. Sensation begins where ordinary PCs stop.
Well, Mike, so far we have a high-power 486SX personal computer with a CD-ROM, Super VGA graphics capability, and digital stereo sound. We have a collection of impressive software and a new way to work with Windows that looks easier than ever. Now, don't get me wrong. Now, that's good. But you tell me that this machine is sensational. There has to be more.
Mike, there is much more. Sensation literally puts you in touch with the world. The built-in 2400 BPS modem can handle both voice and data. It has a 4800 baud send fax feature that lets you send information to any fax machine in the world. Sensation literally puts the world at your fingertips.
Sensation provides the home with a sophisticated communications network, making it easy to stay in touch using Phone Center and the Message Center. Phone Center is an advanced telephone answering system, always there to handle incoming calls when you're unavailable. Phone Center allows the caller to leave messages for
Mike,
specific
press
family
1.
members.
For Susan, press 2. For Doris, press 3.
Or get specific information.
If you are calling about the newspaper ad, press 0.
Each family member may have a personalized phone greeting.
This is
Jeff. I'm not available right now. Catch me later.
And each family member only receives messages left for them.
Hi, honey. Don't be late. Again.
At the Message Center, family members may leave either voice-recorded or typed messages. When away from home, Phone Center's state-of-the-art voicemail capabilities allow you to not only hear your phone and other voice messages, but to have your text messages read to you as well. Sensation begins where ordinary PCs stop.
Now, wait a minute. You're telling me that Sensation can answer the phone like an answering machine?
That's right. But that's just the beginning of Sensation's Message Center capabilities. Sensation can take voice messages or text messages and post them to your message board. You can either retrieve them from the keyboard or from a touch-tone telephone, Mike.
Now, hold on. How can I get a text message over a telephone?
Well, just like this.
This is how you get a text message over the telephone. I can also read your calendar to you. Let me help you keep up with your life. I am Sensation. I can keep you in touch wherever you go.
I'm beginning to see the sensational side. Sensation has text-to-speech conversion as well as the ability to record audio from a telephone line or from an optional microphone for voicemail.
Right, Mike. And to make Sensation an even better value, we've included an in-print program that includes over 400 graphics on the Sensation Data CD to do banners, greeting cards, name tags, and notices.
Now, I've noticed that some of the programs are actually templates of Microsoft Works.
That's right. You'll see several templates in both the In the Bank section and under the category In Control. There are 11 different database templates under In Control to track everything from home inventory to baseball cards. In Control also features common formulas or unit conversions.
But with all this capability, are customers likely to need a lot of help to get started?
Good question, Mike. Sensation uses extensive tutorials complete with spoken and written instructions to help the customer learn to use the system. There are tutorials for WinMate, Windows, and Works.
You can control the sound level of your Sensation's built-in speaker and earphone jacks with the two buttons on the front panel. The right button, with the arrow pointing up, increases the sound level. The button on the left decreases the sound.
These multimedia tutorials use speech and graphics to make learning easy. That's one of the strengths of multimedia. Take a look at this animated sequence from the WinMate tutorial. There's even a basic tutorial to teach the raw beginner how to use a mouse. Now that's experience other computer companies don't have and something your competition just can't match. Sensation includes the most extensive software set ever offered as standard equipment on any computer. Combined with the advanced MPC features incorporated in its hardware design, it represents an outstanding choice for a family or a business computer at just $19.99.
Sensation. It's more than just a product name. It's what this exciting combination of hardware and software creates with your customers. Use these demonstration aids to help sell this exciting technology. So start talking to your customers today.
With Christmas on the way, you're already in the prime selling season for Sensation layaway sales. Don't forget to use this tool together with RSVP to close those systems now. Your paycheck will get an instant boost from the system sale, and the smart salesmaker knows that these sales lead to software purchases for entertainment and educational programs. Other family members that are looking for gift ideas will buy programs and accessories before the computer even gets unwrapped on Christmas morning. Other companies are offering remakes of the same tired technology that's been on the market from ghosts of Christmas past. You have Sensation. Anything else is just a PC.